If you've ever dreamed of owning a true Japanese sports car without spending the kind of money required for a Toyota Supra MK4 or a Nissan Skyline GTR, then chances are you've looked at one car that has earned legendary status across the globe, the Nissan 180SX. This isn't just another old Japanese coupe. The 1994 Nissan 180SX is a machine that has become an icon of drifting, street tuning, and Japanese car culture. It combines sharp styling, turbocharged performance, incredible aftermarket support, and a level of driving enjoyment that few modern cars can match. Even more impressive is the fact that this car is now over 30 years old, yet it continues to command respect everywhere it goes. Whether parked at a car meet, sliding around a drift circuit, or carving through mountain roads, the 180SX still turns heads. So today, we're taking a deep dive into the history, engineering, performance, and legacy of the 1994 Nissan 180SX to find out exactly why enthusiasts around the world still consider it one of Nissan's greatest creations. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next automotive documentary. Now, let's travel back to the early 1990s. The early 1990s represented one of the greatest periods in Japanese automotive history. During this era, manufacturers like Nissan, Toyota, Mazda, Mitsubishi, Subaru, and Honda competed fiercely to build exciting performance cars. Japan's economy had fueled incredible innovation, and engineers were given the freedom to create sports cars that prioritized driver engagement over everything else. Among these was Nissan's S-chassis family. The S13 platform debuted in 1988 and immediately gained praise for its lightweight construction, excellent balance, rear-wheel drive layout, and stylish design. Different markets received different versions. North America got the 240SX with naturally aspirated engines. Japan received something much more exciting, the Nissan 180SX. By 1994, the 180SX had matured into one of the finest affordable sports cars Nissan had ever built. The 1994 model represented the Type X generation, often considered the most desirable version today. One glance at the 1994 Nissan 180SX tells you everything you need to know. This wasn't designed to be flashy. Instead, Nissan focused on creating timeless proportions. The long hood, short rear deck, low roofline, muscular wheel arches, and unmistakable pop-up headlights created a silhouette that still looks modern today. Those pop-up headlights became one of the defining characteristics of the car. When lowered, the front end looked smooth and aerodynamic. When raised, they gave the car personality unlike almost anything built today. The hatchback design wasn't just stylish, it was practical too. Owners enjoyed generous cargo space while maintaining the sleek appearance of a true sports coupe. The rear spoiler, clean body lines, and balanced proportions helped the 180SX stand apart from many of its competitors. Unlike modern sports cars covered in aggressive vents and oversized grills, the 180SX embraced simplicity. That's one reason it has aged so gracefully. Step inside and you'll immediately notice the classic Nissan cockpit. Everything revolves around the driver. Large analog gauges, comfortable bucket seats, excellent visibility. A short gear lever positioned perfectly within reach. Simple climate controls. No oversized touchscreens. No distracting technology, just pure driving. The dashboard is straightforward, functional, and built with the philosophy that nothing should distract you from the road. The driving position is surprisingly low, giving drivers the feeling of sitting inside the car rather than on top of it. That connection between driver and machine is something many modern vehicles struggle to replicate. But what truly transformed the 1994 Nissan 180SX into a legend lies beneath its hood. Powering the car was Nissan's famous SR20DET engine. To many enthusiasts, these 7 letters represent one of the greatest 4-cylinder turbocharged engines ever built. The SR20DET is a 2.0-liter inline-4 featuring an aluminum block, aluminum cylinder head, dual overhead camshafts, 4 valves per cylinder, electronic fuel injection, and a turbocharger. In the 1994 Type X, the engine produced approximately 205 horsepower and around 203 pound-feet of torque. Those numbers may not sound extraordinary today, but remember, the 180SX weighed just over 1,250 kilograms, or roughly 2,750 pounds. That gave the car an impressive power-to-weight ratio. The turbocharger provided smooth acceleration while maintaining excellent reliability. Power arrived progressively, giving drivers confidence whether cruising through city streets or attacking winding mountain roads. Perhaps the greatest strength of the SR20 DET wasn't its factory performance, it was its incredible tuning potential. Simple modifications like an upgraded exhaust, larger intercooler, intake, boost controller, and ECU tune could easily push output beyond 250 horsepower. With larger turbochargers and supporting modifications, many owners achieve 350 horsepower or more while retaining remarkable reliability. Some fully built SR20 DET engines today produce well over 600 horsepower. That speaks volumes about Nissan's engineering. Power was sent exclusively to the rear wheels through either a 5-speed manual transmission or an automatic, although enthusiasts overwhelmingly preferred the manual. The gearbox delivered short, satisfying shifts. Combined with a responsive engine, it created one of the most engaging driving experiences of its era. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour took roughly 6.5 seconds. Top speed approached 145 miles per hour. Again, these numbers may seem modest today, but during the mid-1990s, they placed the 180SX firmly within sports car territory. However, straight-line performance was never its greatest strength. Handling was. The S13 chassis has earned legendary status for a reason. Nissan equipped the car with fully independent suspension using McPherson's